Hello everyone, and welcome back to Humanity UAPD English Learning. First of all, congratulations! If you are watching this lesson, it means you have completed the 28-day English learning course. That is a great achievement. But learning English does not end after finishing a course. To remember everything clearly, we must review and practice. Today's lesson is a complete English revision. We will quickly review vocabulary, grammar, speaking, listening, and writing. This will help you remember what you learned and become more confident in English. Let's begin. Quick recap. During the last 28 days, you learned many important English basics. You learned basic vocabulary for daily life. You learned useful phrases for conversations. You learned important grammar rules. You practiced speaking for real situations. You improved listening skills to understand English better. You practiced writing to express your thoughts. All these skills work together to help you communicate clearly in English. Now, let's review them one by one. Vocabulary, practice. Vocabulary is the foundation of any language. The more words you know, the easier it becomes to speak and understand English. Let's practice some simple words. Example words: excited, confident, curious. Example sentences: I am excited to learn English. She feels confident speaking in class. He is curious about new ideas. Now try making your own sentences using these words. Daily vocabulary practice helps your brain remember words more easily. Grammar review. Grammar helps us build correct and meaningful sentences. Let's review a basic sentence structure. Subject plus verb plus object example. The cat chased the mouse. Now let's review verb tenses. Present tense example: she walks to school. Past tense example: she walked to school. We also learned about articles: a and the. Example: a dog means any dog. Example: the dog means a specific dog. These simple grammar rules make your English clear and understandable. Speaking practice. Speaking practice is one of the most important parts of learning English. To improve speaking, try these simple activities. Speak with friends. Practice short conversations. Repeat sentences aloud. Record your voice and listen to it. Here is a simple dialogue example. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing today? I am practicing English. Practicing speaking every day will improve your confidence and fluency. Listening, practice. Listening is very important for understanding English. You can improve your listening skills by watching English videos and listening to podcasts. Listening and repeating sentences helps a lot. Try the listen and repeat technique. First, listen to a sentence. Then, pause the audio. Repeat the sentence aloud. This method improves both listening and pronunciation. Writing practice. Writing is another powerful way to improve English. Writing helps organize your thoughts and improve grammar. Start by writing short paragraphs. For example, today I practiced English. I watched a video and learned new vocabulary. You can write about your daily routine, favorite food, hobbies, or future goals. Writing regularly will improve your vocabulary and sentence structure. Self-assessment. Now it's time to ask yourself some questions. Can I understand simple English? Can I make basic sentences? Can I speak short conversations? Can I write simple paragraphs? If your answer is yes, that means you are making great progress. If you still feel unsure, don't worry. Learning a language takes time and practice. Keep learning and keep practicing. You have now completed the final English revision of this 28-day course. Remember, learning English is a continuous journey. To improve further, practice English every day. Read English articles and watch English videos. Listen to English conversations and try speaking whenever possible. Small daily practice will create big improvement over time. Once again, congratulations on completing the course. Keep learning with Humanity UAPD. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.